Video we'll be taking a look at how to add a shortcut to the lock screen for mobile data on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on a shortcut for turning on or off mobile data on your lock screen, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is jump into the settings for your lock screen, and to do so, what you want to do is hold down on a blank portion of your home screen like so. From there, what you want to do is hit Wallpaper and Style, and then from there, what you want to do is hit the wallpaper you currently have. Then you want to hit one of the shortcuts that you want to change to the new shortcut. And then from there, you can select mobile data. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add a mobile data shortcut to your lock screen on the S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.